Welcome back, champions. Today we're working on the PlayStation 4 overheating issue, and if you've made it to this video, you've probably already worked out that it's due to the dust building up inside. Today I want to show you guys how to pull Old Faithful here apart without removing this sticker, and then you'll get to keep your warranty. If you're enjoying seeing my videos, hit that subscribe button, otherwise let's get on with the video. First up guys, you want to look at the back of the unit. I've marked out here with the little red lines where you want to put your fingers. Then you're just going to sort of lift it back towards yourself first, and then pull upwards, and then push down. Hopefully you can remember those actions. Not too difficult at all. You can see on here on camera, doing it myself now. I'm proud of myself, but yeah, got him all sorted. Big green tick for me. Hit that like button if you think I deserve that tick. So I'm just using a feather duster. Going to clean the fan just very lightly, but really this one was pretty clean anyway. If you wanted to try and clean it a little bit better, like most people do, if it's dusty like this old Xbox that I did, I'll leave a video for that in the corner actually. You can use compressed air. There's that little squeezy rocket ship tool I had, or you can use compressed air cans that you buy online, but that should get you up and going with your mates again. Now if you've got questions about your phones or consoles, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back and help you guys get them sorted. Aside from that, hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the videos, and check out the playlist beside us there on the right hand side, and you'll see more videos like this one.